Okay, let's get some food going today. And thanks for watching, everybody. I've not been on here in I think 2 days about cooking. So here we go. Okay, now we're getting the water off of them. And then we're going to put a little bit of oil in them. We're going to fry them. And we're going to make something else with them. Okay, after you pour your oil, be careful. Because it's what it sounds like. Just keep doing like that until they get brown as you want them. This is the only way to make a hot dog, I'm telling you. I love them this way. Or bake them in the oven. They're better like that if you get them darker as you can. They seem to taste better and everything. Okay, after you get fresh eggs, you need to wash them off, and you won't be able to get all that stuff off, but at least you can wash them where they've been sitting on eggs so long. And they taste better because they're not store-bought. Been sitting there for 50 years or longer. Or however long they sit before you get them. That's one thing about a store-bought egg. You do not know how long they are been sitting there or how many days they sit there before you got them. Yeah. Okay, let's fry me some eggs now. This is 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, and a 16-ounce glass of water. I drank some this morning, and I drink some every day before I do my meals, and I've been losing weight like that. So I hope that helps somebody. Now, I'm not proving to be a doctor. Don't claim to be. Do your own research and see if you like it or not. You can always put a little sugar in it or a little bit of salt. Okay, let's try these eggs this morning. See how we like it. I know this meal ain't an ideal meal, but it's what we've got. We ain't got much for breakfast, so we're going to have to try it. Okay, let's try these eggs first. See how we like it. Oh, see that yellow running? That's what I like. Okay. Bite of our hot dog. And what I do with that, I just take that hot dog and rub it in the egg and eat it. Try this meal. This is a meal I had when I was growing up. I know it ain't an ideal breakfast, but it is good. Leave me a comment on how you would eat this. Or have you ever tried this? Thank you for watching. Bye.